Abby here from Twist Me Pretty. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd break away from the usual hair tutorial and share a little bit of my skincare routine plus review the Olay Pro X Plus Advanced Microdermabrasion Facial Cleansing Brush System. That was like the longest title ever, but it does a lot for my skin and I'm really excited to show you guys how to use it. And a huge thank you to Olay for sponsoring this video. Without further ado, let's just jump into it. Okay, everybody knows that exfoliation is a critical step in skincare. It removes dull surface cells from the skin and reveals more youthful, brighter looking skin. And honestly, there's lots of ways to exfoliate. You can exfoliate with scrubs or topical products. You can see an esthetician for chemical peels. And then of course there's microdermabrasion. And I really love microdermabrasion because I can do it on my own, at home, on my own time, and it's really effective. So this is the Pro X by Olay. You can get it on Amazon for 35 bucks and it'll come in 2 days with Prime, which is always a bonus. But this particular tool is really great because you can use it for microdermabrasion with this, or you can also use it as your daily cleansing brush with this. So I'm just gonna jump into demoing it for you. Okay, for daily use, I'm gonna use the facial cleansing brush head, and what I like to do first is wash my face. I'm just using a gentle cleanser that removes my makeup really well before I kind of dirty up the brush with foundation. And then I'm gonna put on some of the exfoliating renewal cleanser onto the facial cleansing brush head. So both of these are included in the system, and I just cleanse all over the skin on the highest speed. And there are 3 speeds here: a daily gentle cleansing speed, a daily deep cleansing speed, and then the microdermabrasion speed. So you can kind of customize it to whatever you prefer. This double wash though for me has really helped my skin. You'd be surprised at how much makeup is still left on your skin after you wash your face with just your hands. It's kind of gross. So that's how I use it every day, and then if you're wanting to use it for a deeper microdermabrasion treatment, you'll just switch heads on the handle to the microdermabrasion foam head. Super easy, just click it on like that, and you can see it's actually very soft, which was a little bit surprising to me at first. So what I like to do is wash my face first, again, so that my makeup is off, and then while my skin is still wet, I apply the self-heating thermal crystal polisher to the skin, and then just go over each area with the cleansing brush. So the crystal polisher has a really gritty feel to it, and it's a combination of the product and the foam brush head at the speed 3, which will really polish up the skin and give you that microdermabrasion treatment that you're looking for. So you only want to do this 2 days a week, and it's just going to gently exfoliate the skin. It's going to improve texture, help with hyperpigmentation, aging. It pretty much does all of the things. But one thing I really love about microdermabrasion in general is it breaks down that top layer of dead skin cells and allows my products to really get into the skin and work. So after I've cleansed the skin, I use a brightening serum. This just helps with skin discoloration and redness. And then I use an anti-aging serum. This just helps soften the appearance of wrinkles, supports collagen, and protects the skin against oxidative damage. After that, I use the Olay Pro X Even Skin Tone Spot Fading Treatment. This stuff works wonders on reducing the look of dark spots and discoloration, which I feel like I have so much of, and it's helped a lot. So I just kind of spot treat the skin where I need it, and then I finish it off with my Olay Whips, my Olay Luminous Whips. I really love this moisturizer. It goes on super light and has a full spectrum SPF in it, which I'm kind of crazy about, especially in the summer. You guys should not be leaving your house without a sunscreen. Skincare is honestly a big deal for me, and I think it's partially because I've really never had good skin, so I really do try and baby it, and I'm super conscious of the products that I'm using, and I love the Pro X Microdermabrasion system just because it's super gentle on my skin. I can use it every day, and I can also give myself microdermabrasion treatments with it. So anyway, I hope this video and review helps some of you, and check my blog soon because I'm going to be linking up and sharing a detailed review of all the products that have really helped my skin over the past couple of years. It's really transformed if you look at videos from a few years ago to now. So I'll make sure to share that soon. I love you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!